Beautiful morning, sun is up. Today we're going to fishing in Babairiver. It's in the national park. Last week the tiger took already 2 person. 135 years old male yesterday, he disappeared. They just found some piece of body. And 3 days ago a woman who went to cut grass in the jungle, she also disappeared. So I have to bring 2 guide and 1 game scout. It's adventure fishing, and as this river is protected by the rangers, there's high chance we'll catch some fish. Let's see. We're at Babai Bridge. This is the river we'll be fishing today. It's Babai River. It's protected. It's in the national park. There are so many crocodile and so many fish in this river. Crocodile cannot be seen now, but fish, you can see some fish. Yeah, I can see some fish there. It's all golden marsh here. Looks good. Day looks promising. Hoping for some big catch. We'll be doing bait fishing and spoon fishing, casting, spinner, everything. We have to submit all the documents in the rangers army. Now we're moving to the jungle. It's our Vivek Bhai from Mr. B's place. He's the son of Mr. B. And Bhai ka naam? Krishna. He's also a wildlife guide, professional. As we are in the middle of the national park, we have a threat from the wild animals, especially elephant. Especially now, they just give, it's a breeding season, so they just give birth. Especially if there are some young elephants around, they are very protective. So we have to be careful. And tiger is always a threat. We are following the river, trying to find a good spot. Weather is perfect, cool wind. And river is perfect, most important. To go to the first spot, we have to walk around 1 hour almost. And we are joined by an officer from National Park. Bhai ka naam? He's we have to, while we are getting license from the national park, they will assign us an officer. It's called Game Scout. It's strictly catch and release, so he's here to make sure that we will kill any fish or wild animals. Old fallen tree. Wow, it's amazing. Right? It's good to have monkeys around. If there are tigers around, they will let us know. Yeah? Print of tiger, footprint. Now we are moving toward the river. Elephants are passing here constantly. Finally the river is here. I have to cross the river. Good spot. Nice to reach at the spot. We'll start from here. Kingfisher. Oh, quicksand. Huh? Okay, nice spot. Moving to spot number 2. Day is still long. Must try harder. I'm using this Rapala Magnum, and this is my favorite reel pen, gifted by very good friend from Canada.
Good. Good alive.
Eh? Where is it opening?
आगे क्या है ना?
ठीक है, इधर छोड़ना पड़ेगा। Okay. Yes. Thank you for meeting me. Spots are getting better now. We are moving slowly by casting, going upward to the river. Sun is a little bit challenging. Sun is quite strong, but it's, as long as you keep dehydrate, no problem. Can see the paw of tiger. Looks very fresh. Come here to drink water. This looks like a male tiger. It went to the, we have to track down. It looks very fresh. We have to be careful. Might be around in the bush. Place looks amazing. We will stop here for lunch. We will stay around 2-3 hours. I think this will be our last spot upward. From here we will be moving back because tigers are around. We have to be careful. So we rested for 20 minutes in the shade. This is the only shade you will have beside the bush. We have to watch out because behind is jungle. And as I show you the paw mark of tiger, there are tigers around, so we have to be careful. Now we're going find a spot and we'll stay there for hours until 3 p.m. Let's see if we'll catch a big one. the mother of fish. Now it's too hot to play casting, so we just cast and wait game. It's too hot. I'm sure around 33 degree. You can see the sky is very blue and sun is very strong. We are finding bush. Everybody's eating lunch. At least there is one catch. Hoping for more bigger.
किन यो देखाइरहेको नि डिस्प्ले अहिले रातो बलिरहेको सायद
ठिकै छ So this is the first catch Mahashir. Beautiful. ल छोड्दाखेरि भिडियो खिच्न आउनु
देखाइरहेको छैन नि डिस्प्ले फेरि
ठिकै छ त्यो खिचिरहेको
ए खिचिरहेको
पर एकचोटि हेर्नु त
है
नजिकै जानु कम्तीले गर्यो कम्तीले
मैले भने परोटी जिन्दाबाद Final spot for the day. Looks very promising. Second spot we caught 2 Mahashir, both 1 pounder. Now this place looks very promising. It's very deep gorge. It's very deep front of that rocks. So if we have fish here, it will be a big one. Possible catfish. It's called gunj or Mahashir. Beautiful Bardiya Valley. So anyhow we have to exit National Park 4:30, so we have to move now. It was a nice day, not the best but it's okay, not empty-handed. 3 Mahashir, 2 speckled trout. Pack up is going on. We didn't catch the big fish today. We're hoping for 15 to 20 kg. It's not easy also. So biggest was 2 pound 1 kg. It's okay. My journey to catch the mother of golden mahashir continues. Finally, we are on the highway now. You can see the ranger post there. Nice day, but it was too hot. It's good to we had enough water